Hello everyone. Today is August 20th, 2023. Hurricane Hilary has crossed over Isla de Cedros and made landfall near Punta San Antonio, Mexico, just as KNAPP predicted. While the wind intensity has died out, the rainfall will be a major factor. We're going to share some videos from Twitter, links in the description. Flooding throughout Mexico has been life-threatening. Here's some footage from Rosalia, Mexico. We're already seeing some of the highest rainfall in Las Vegas history, along with serious flooding. Flash flood warnings are up across Southern California. We're posting another video soon about the 3 storms in the Atlantic Basin today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to download KNAPP for iOS and Android, and check back here for more hurricane-related videos soon.